So, welcome back, sir. Welcome to second class of auditing. So, in the last class, we have discussed the classification of the syllabus and we have seen the history of the word audit now, sir. So, in today's class, let us start with the first chapter of the auditing, chapter 1 Nature, comma, objective, comma, scope of auditing. Before entering into the syllabus, let us try to understand the meaning of the chapter. Purpose of the chapter, logic behind the chapter, that is important, sir. So, in the last, we have discussed the main purpose of the section. Before starting the section, why the section is included in the act, intention of the lawmakers. That is, we have to understand, sir. In the same way, before starting the chapter, let us try to understand the meaning of the chapter, sir. So, what is our chapter name, sir? Nature of the auditing, scope of the auditing, and objective of the auditing. Here, three words are there, sir. Nature, objective, and scope. These three things we are going to discuss in the first chapter. First of all, sir, what is the meaning of nature, sir? Nature of auditing. No. Nature means behavior. Nature means intention. Nature means intention. Nature means behavior. So here, what we will understand from this chapter, from the first topic of this chapter, we will understand what is the meaning of the audit. What is the meaning of audit? Auditing क्या होता है? That's what we will understand from this topic, beta. That is nature of the auditing. Then one more word is there, sir, here in the chapter name. Objective of the audit. Objective of audit. Objective means purpose. Objective means purpose. Beta. So, being a faculty, what is my objective, sir? I should teach law. I should teach auditing only. I should not teach anything beyond law and auditing. Beta. So, my objective is to teach law and auditing. That means why? Why is auditing? Here we will understand why is auditing. Why is auditing? We will understand here. And one more word is there in the chapter name. Scope of the audit. Scope of audit. Scope means boundaries. Scope means boundaries. Scope means extent. Scope means boundaries, sir. Beta. In Telugu, it is known as paridhi. Here, we will discuss what will be discussed in the subject called auditing and what will not be discussed. That means, while doing the audit, what will be covered in the audit and what will not be covered in the audit. For which activities auditor is responsible, for which activities auditor will not be responsible. Here, we are going to understand, sir. Scope means what will be covered in the audit. Here, scope means what will be covered in the auditing practically and also in the syllabus also, theoretically also. So, what will not be covered? What will not be covered in the audit? These two things we will discuss, we will understand from this last word, sir, scope. So, what is our subject name, sir? Once again, nature, comma, objective, comma, scope of the auditing. Nature of the auditing means it explains what is the auditing, sir. What is the intention of the auditing? Why we do the audit? Objective means purpose. Purpose means so what is the purpose of conducting the audit? At the end of the day, why we are doing this thing? Why we are doing the audit? Can be explained by the The second word objective. Last one is scope. Scope means what will be covered for each, which activities auditor is responsible, for which activities auditor will not be responsible. We can able to understand from the scope of the auditing. है ना? So this is the meaning of the our subject, sir. Sorry, our chapter. So we are clear with the chapter name. Let us start with the first subheading of this chapter, nature of the auditing. है ना बेटा? That means what is the meaning of auditing? Sir, what is audit? Here we will discuss two things, beta. Meaning of the auditing and definition of the audit. Meaning and audit, definition of audit. Beta. Meaning means general. Beta. Not as per professional, not as per standards, not professional definition, beta. General meaning. General meaning. Here we will understand the professional meaning. Professional meaning of the auditing. Let us start with the first thing, beta, that is general meaning of the auditing. So not being a chartered accountant, not being a directors of the company, not being the shareholders of the company, for general public, what is the meaning of auditing? Let us try to understand in general English. What is the meaning of auditing? Let us try to understand from this heading, beta. Next we'll see definition of the auditing also. Definition of auditing is defined in SCA 200, sir. So what is SCA 200? I will explain you, sir. First, let us understand the general meaning of the auditing. So, what is the meaning of audit? What is auditing? Auditing means examination of something. What is auditing, sir? Examination of something. Why we are examining something? To express the opinion. To express the opinion on what, sir? On the same thing. On the same thing which we are examining. This is the general meaning of the auditing, sir. Not professional definition, general meaning. Once again, so what is auditing? Auditing means examination of something to express the opinion on the same thing. I will explain the meaning of this statement, sir. Before explanation of the meaning of this statement, I have a question for you, sir. Sir, have you ever conducted an audit? I will explain the statement. So to explain that statement, I am asking you one question. Have you ever conducted? Have you ever conducted audit? Generally, students will give answer no. Sir, just now we are cleared CA foundation, sir. We are not cleared CA enter also. Moreover, we have not taken CA enter coaching also. Auditing coaching is not over. This is my first class or second class. So how can we conduct the audit? So general students will say, no sir, we never done the audit. But my answer is yes. We do audit every day in our life. Every day. From sunrise to sunset. Every day we do the audit. How, sir? Yeah, I'll explain it better. But you don't know that you are doing auditing, but you are doing auditing every day, sir. So, what is the definition of auditing, sir? Last page we have written something. Auditing means examination of something to express the opinion on the same thing. That is the meaning of auditing. Hai na? Let us see whether you are doing the audit every day or not, sir. Let us start with the kitchen. Hai na beta? Kitchen will be there, no? So, who will be there in the kitchen, beta? Mummy will be there. Generally, mummy will prepare the food, no beta? Who is she? Our beautiful mummy. Amma. You know, beta. Today is Sunday, for example. Then you're shouting. So Hyderabad famous is for the biryani and Telangana is famous for the sambar. है ना? So South region, Chennai, Hyderabad. So this is Vijayawada, famous for the sambar. है ना बेटा? So we love sambar, we love biryani. For example, beta, today you guys are shouting, "Mummy sambar, mummy sambar, amma sambar." So since you love the sambar, mummy said, "Chalo, I'll prepare sambar for you." है ना? Sir, what you telling, sir? Auditing a sambar? Auditing only, sir. What is this, sir? Stove. But subject is very easy, sir. Auditing is very easy, but apply to practical life, beta. If you apply the every concept of auditing to real life, no, you feel auditing is very easy. If you by hard in the auditing, है ना beta, subject is very tough, है ना? Let us see. Let us apply the auditing subject to real life. So, mommy will keep the bowl, है ना? This is stove. Then, mommy will put the oil. Mommy will put the mirchi, है ना? And some spices, है ना? Then she will put that liquid, है ना बेटा? Chintapandu, है ना? She will put that liquid. Then subsequently she will put some masala, sambar masala. Then she will leave for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, na beta? So after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, what mummy will do, beta? Mummy will go to kitchen again from the hall. Generally, she will be watching the serials and she will making the food. So then she will go to kitchen. What she will do, beta? She will take two three drops of the particular sambar and she will taste it. You know, beta? So mummy's hand is not like this, beta. This is mummy's hand, okay? Let us draw mummy's hand nicely. So she will keep 2-3 drops of the sambar on her hand and she will taste it. Why, beta? Why she's tasting? Before completion of the sambar itself, she's tasting. Why? She's examining. What she's doing, beta? She's testing. She's examining. What she's testing here? Whether salt is sufficient or not. Whether masala is sufficient or not. That is what she's testing. So then she will come to one conclusion. Yes, salt is sufficient. No, salt is not sufficient. Mirchi is sufficient. No, mirchi is not sufficient. Then she's coming to some conclusion. She's getting some opinion on that sambar. That is auditing only. See, if you want, what is auditing, sir? Examination of something, sambar. Examination of something. What she's examining, beta? Sambar. Why she's examining the sambar, beta? To express the opinion on the sambar, whether salt is sufficient or not, mirchi is sufficient or not. That is auditing only. Here, what her mother is saying, beta? She's giving her opinion. Then your grandmother came. Grandmother, always, she don't like your mother, obviously. Your mother said, salt is sufficient. But your grandmother will say, no, salt is not sufficient. Thoda lagna hai. Still we have to keep some more salt. She will say like that. Inkoncham bartadanta. So, from your grandmother point of view, still we need to keep some more salt. From your mother point of view, salt is sufficient. That is not a fact. That is opinion, sir. So, two things are there in law and auditing. Fact and opinion. Fact will remain same for everyone. Opinion will change from person to person. How I teach, how SG teaches. Some students like my class. Some like my examples moreover, because if they remember the example, concept will be very easy in the exam hall. So some students like my class, some students don't like my class. It's opinion. So what is this, sir? You are giving sambar example in the auditing? Yes. I will give you like that only because you will not forget. Clear na? So it's opinion, sir. Clear na? Some people like my class, some people don't like my class. It is opinion. But sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That is a fact. Surudu. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It's a fact. It will remain same for everyone. Here, what mother is giving, beta? She's examining something. She was testing something. She's giving the opinion or fact, beta? Opinion. It is auditing only. Beta? Making the food. Testing the food by mother. It's a auditing only. I will give one more example. We can apply the auditing to everyday, sir. everyday life we can apply. One more example if you want, I will give, sir. For example, sir, your father said, if you clear CA foundation in first attempt, I will give you bike. है ना बेटा? So what dad said, sir? If you clear CA foundation, no, you're going to get a bike. Then you're preparing like anything. You cleared your CA foundation also. Then you're throwing your mark sheet to your father. Daddy, take the mark sheet. I cleared CA foundation with all India rank. Air all India rank. है ना बेटा? Then where is my bike? Daddy said, let's go to showroom. है ना बेटा? Then they went to showroom, sir. Who? Daddy and Chintu. Which showroom? For example, Bajaj. Bajaj showroom. And he was trying bike. Bajaj Pulsar. This is Pulsar, assume. है ना बेटा? Then he's going for test drive. है ना बेटा? Then he wants one more bike also. Bajaj Avenger. Avenger. He's going for test drive. Then he went to another showroom also, beta. TVS, for example. Apache. This is Apache bike, sir. For example, you know. And they went to another showroom also. That is, for example, Royal Enfield, Bullet. You know. This is Bullet bike. You know. So Chintu's testing the all these bikes. He's going for trial run of Pulsar, trial run of Avenger, trial run of Apache, trial run of Bullet. But why he's trying these many bikes? To decide which is more comfortable to him. So I was trying all these things, trial run, or testing, or examining whether it is comfortable or not. So seating and etc. Then he's forming an opinion. I think for me, Avenger is suitable. Avenger is suitable. But for some people, Pulsar is suitable. For some people, Apache is suitable. For some other people, they feel Bullet is best bike. It is opinion, sir. It's not fact. It's not a fact. Vary from person to person. So what our Chintu is doing here? Chintu is examining 4 bikes and is framing an opinion which is more comfortable, which is more suitable to him. It's auditing only. In fact, it's auditing, sir. See, auditing means examination of something. Examining 4 bikes. It's right, 4 bikes, and is forming an opinion on the bike whether it is good or not for him. For him only, sir. For not for everyone. It's opinion. It's auditing only. We do it, no, beta. That is bike example. It's auditing only. Otherwise, I'll give another example. How many examples you want? I will give so many, that many examples, beta, because subject is very easy. It's all about examples. Apply the subject to practical life, real life. For example, beta, there is a famous director is there, Rajamouli. Rajamouli, for example, beta, you are watching a movie, Bahubali or Tribler. You are watching one movie. After watching the movie, you will give a rating in the Facebook, no beta? So Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, so you are giving rating 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 5 by 5. Beta. You will write your review also. You will give directions to Rajamouli also. Crazy people. So you don't know how to make the movie, and you will give the instructions to Rajamouli also. Respect his efforts, no, but we will not respect. We will give instructions to everyone. So you will write a review also. That is also auditing only. Here, what you are doing, beta? You are watching a movie carefully, examining something, and you are expressing your opinion whether the movie is good or not. From your point of view, it's worst. Some other point of view, it may be best movie. Expressing the opinion on the same thing, that is also auditing, sir. In fact, it's auditing. I will give another example if you want. For example, sir, you went to stationery, SG stationery, to purchase new pen because you're starting CA and auditing, no beta. So we have to keep the pen before the Bhagwan, and then we will start. So you went to the stationery to purchase a pen. Then he will show 4 to 5 types of the pens. Cello pinpoint, cello grip, cello gripper, and Montex, some other kind of the pen. He will show 4 to 5 types of the pens. Then you will try to write your name or your girlfriend name, sweetie, with 4 pens. Then you will check which is very smooth, which is more comfortable. The grip will be there, beta. So which is more comfortable, which is very smooth. You're checking the 4 pens. You're giving the opinion whether the pen is good or not from your point of view. That is also writing, sir. Examining of something, express the opinion. Movie review is auditing only. And purchasing the pen is auditing only. You're testing a bit. And one more example I will give if you want. We will do auditing every day, na beta. But you don't know all these things. So when you go to showroom, na beta, tell to him, I'm doing auditing here. For example, today is Sunday. Market will be there in the vegetable market will be there. Your mother said, Chinto, let's go to vegetable market to purchase veggies. Even you don't like, you are supposed to go. Otherwise, mommy will not prepare biryani tomorrow. Then you and mummy went to vegetable market, beta. Mummy, beautiful mummy, and crazy you. Chinto, spikes. Chintu and mummy. And you're supposed to get the bag also, beta. That big bag, this kind of bag you have to hold it. Then you guys went to vegetable market. So what to purchase? For example, ladies' fingers. People will say it is good for memory. So you will clear CA final soon. CA enter. So you went to, this is not carrot, sir. This is ladies' finger, okay? You are going to show vegetable market along with your mother to purchase the ladies' fingers. So many ladies' fingers will be there. So how mummy will choose the ladies' fingers, beta? Just like that, she will not keep in the cover, no. Then she will take the one lady's finger. She will try to break it here. At the corner, she will try to break it. If it's breaking, no, that is good one. If it's not breaking, no, that is not good one. ముదిరిపోయింది. బ్రేక్ అయితే లేతది వాడుకోవచ్చు. బ్రేక్ కాకపోతే ఇట్స్ నాట్ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ కుకింగ్. బెటా. సో వాట్ మమ్మీ ఇస్ డూయింగ్ హియర్? షీ ఇస్ బ్రేకింగ్ ద కార్నర్ ఆఫ్ ద లేడీస్ ఫింగర్. షీ వాస్ డిసైడింగ్ whether it is good for cooking or not good for cooking. It's auditing only. So what mummy is doing here? Examining the something which is examining something, expressing the opinion on the same thing. That is also auditing, sir. For example, you are going by train. You met a stranger on the train. Then he is trying to talk with you. So 6 hours journey. So after 6 hours journey, so you will decide this guy is good guy or the bad boy or bad girl. So not like in movies, sir. In movies, always you meet the beautiful girlfriend, beautiful girl in the train. But in the real life, you will meet the old uncle, as well tata. You will meet one old tata in the train. Generally, in practical life, in the movies, obviously we will meet the beautiful girl only, beta. But in the real life, we will not meet beautiful girls. We will meet that uncle, Then he will try to talk to that uncle. What are doing? CM, which attempt to 10th attempt to, Then, after reaching Vijayawada, after 6 hours journey, then you will frame an opinion. This uncle may be good boy or good uncle. This uncle may be bad boy or bad uncle. That is also auditing only. You are examining some guy for 6 hours. You are giving your opinion. That is not a fact, beta. That is also auditing only. Meeting a stranger in the train. So all these things are auditing only. General, beta. So let us see the professional definition also again. Clear, na? So, right, sir. Keep the heading. Chapter 1. Nature, objective, scope of auditing. This is our chapter name. So nature means, so it explains what is the meaning of auditing. Objective means it explains why we are doing the auditing. Scope means it explains what will be covered in the auditing and what will not be covered in the auditing. So these 3 things we are going to discuss in the first chapter. Look at it. Chapter name, nature, objective, scope of the auditing. Next. Meaning of the chapter. Subheading. Meaning of words used in chapter name. Sir, everyone should maintain running notes. Sir, I will come to your home to check it. So, it plays crucial role, beta. always prepare running notes, always maintain running notes, है ना. It is your running notes is your Bible, your running notes is your Bhagavad Gita, your running notes is your Quran before the exam, remember sir, है ना. So even I go 100 materials, you will refer your own material only before the exam, that is one day before the exam, clear na. Look beta, meaning of the words used in the chapter name. First, nature of the orating, that means what is the meaning of audit. Next, objective, that means why is auditing, purpose. Next, scope of auditing, written about nature of auditing means what is the meaning of auditing, objective means the purpose of the auditing, why is auditing. Next, third one, scope of auditing, that means what will be covered in the audit and what will not be covered in the audit, like extent of audit, boundaries, or in Telugu paridhi, in law jurisdiction. In law, this word is known as jurisdiction. Beta. In English, we call it as a scope. In law, it is known as jurisdiction. In Telugu, it is known as paridhi. In English, ordinary English, extent, boundaries, scope. I don't know what we call in Hindi. I don't know. So this is the meaning of the chapter name, sir. Next heading. What is audit? What is audit? Divided into two parts: general meaning of the auditing and definition of the auditing. Meaning means general meaning, not professionally. So what public will think the meaning of the auditing. Next, definition means professional meaning of the auditing. We will discuss better. What is professional meaning? We will discuss. So the word, this definition of the auditing will take nearly 1 hour. Only the definition of the auditing. So we have to spend nearly 1 hour to understand the definition of the auditing, because this is very important in your life. Being a chartered accountant, till you die, you should remember the definition. You know. So first read the meaning, sir. Heading: meaning of the auditing. Meaning of the auditing. Auditing means examination of something. Examination of something to express the opinion on the same thing. Express the opinion on the same thing. Example. Write the example, sir. So mom is preparing food. She was testing before completion of the food. It's auditing. And you are going for test drive of the bike, and you're deciding which is more comfortable. And you're watching a movie, giving the review. It's opinion, sir. And you were testing the pen before purchasing a pen. And you're purchasing the vegetables with your mother. She was testing the vegetables in the market. And you're framing opinion on the stranger whom you met in the particular train. Clear na? So this is the meaning of the auditing, sir. So draw the diagrams also, beta. Diagrams are very, very important. Remember. So in my class, diagrams are very, very important. Clear na? So let us see the definition of the auditing in the next chapter, sir. It will take nearly 1 hour, no? So otherwise video will become very lengthy. So if your video is very lengthy, no, so people will not be interested to watch everything in one go. So definition of the auditing we'll discuss in the next class. Now, have a great time. Enjoy the day. Prepare well.